In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stock Screener for swing trading in TradingView. First, open your browser and head to TradingView. Once the homepage loads, look for the Screeners option on the platform interface. Click that to open the dedicated Screener workspace. You'll see different choices, but for this walkthrough, select all stocks so you're scanning a broad universe rather than a pre-filtered list. Next, set the market to USA. This helps keep results relevant and consistent, especially if you're trading US-listed tickers with regular liquidity and reliable data. Now open this sector control. We're just opening it here to show where you'll narrow focus. This panel is useful when you want to concentrate on specific industries like technology or healthcare without mixing in unrelated names. Now let's enhance the columns you see. Find analyst rating in the column controls and add it if it isn't already visible. Click analyst rating again to bring up its options, then choose Move to the Start. Placing this column at the front makes it easy to quickly gauge consensus sentiment while scanning, which can be a helpful secondary filter for swing candidates. Momentum is key for swing traders, so let's configure the Change % column. Click Change %, then open column settings. Select 1 day and 1 week so you can view short-term and weekly performance side by side, and click Apply. This combination helps you spot names that are moving today and also have a larger weekly trend developing, which is often the sweet spot for swing setups. Liquidity matters just as much. Click the volume column and open column settings again. Choose 1 day and 1 week here as well, then apply. Seeing both timeframes lets you confirm that recent moves are backed by meaningful trading activity rather than thin, erratic prints. After that, click the volume header and select Sort Descending. This brings the most actively traded stocks to the top, helping you avoid illiquid names that can lead to slippage or wide spreads. At this point, your screener shows US stocks with analyst rating front and center, change % configured for daily and weekly momentum, and volume sorted highest to lowest with both time horizons visible. From here, you can scroll through the list, look for alignment between positive weekly and daily change, healthy volume, and constructive analyst sentiment, and then open charts of promising tickers for deeper analysis. Remember, this workflow is a starting point for idea generation, not a signal by itself. Always confirm with your chart strategy and risk rules before taking any trade.